Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to another video. Today, we're going to learn about how to use Google Sites. This tutorial is going to be really simple. I'll show you some additional things to spice it up. These additional things, personally, I think are really cool. I got these additional ideas from a YouTuber called Pocketful of Timery, and she does amazing things. Alright, well, that's all I have for you. Let's get on to the video. Alright, so to start off, this is Google Sites. As you can see, there are a lot of options here, and it seems really overwhelming. So don't worry, it's totally fine. I'm just going to walk you through it, but not everything, because some things are self-explanatory and some things you can do it. So this is the insert section. You can insert fun and cool things. The main things that you can access are to add a text box. Let me find one here, right here. To add a text box, add an image, and add files from Google Drive. You can see there's a symbol that shows emmed code. That doesn't do anything unless you know code, specifically HTML, because it says HTML code goes here. You don't really need that. If you scroll down, you can see it says layouts. And basically what that does is it gives you an option to add an image or anything else with some text. Let me show you how it looks like. So I'm going to go one for the picture and the words, and that's how it looks like. There's also many more layouts, so don't worry. I don't think we're going to go through all of them, but it's okay. You can try it out yourself. There's also more options. If you scroll down, like I've been saying, but that's pretty self-explanatory, and you can learn it yourself. So let me show you how to use this layout really quick. So if you see this plus button, you want to just click on that. Now you can either upload, select an image, and select an image from Drive. You can also upload a video, calendar, and Google Maps. So for now, I'm gonna select the upload section. If you want to, you can also click select image. I'm gonna click upload. And as you can see, it fits. So you can make this bigger or smaller. Ooh, that looks really bad. For now, I'm just going to make it a bit big. Here we go. I think I'd say that's a good size. All right. And you can also add some text. This part requires the utmost attention. Anyways, let's say you hate your header right now and you can't stand it, like this one that I have. There are two ways to do this, but I'm only going to show you the simple way. First, what you're going to do, you're going to make a new tab in Google Chrome. Second, in your new tab, you're going to type in the search bar, slide.new. You should have a blank presentation from Google Slides. Third, click on File, and then Page Setup. Click on this little arrow and click on Custom. Type in 800 by 125 inches. These are the dimensions of a Google site header. You can design your header any way you want. I'm first going to cancel out the text box, make a background. Alright, so it took a long time to actually make this. So here I am, just like scrolling through the fonts and picking which font I want. Let's skip through, haha, to the problem. You can tell I was stressed. Okay, so for some reason, I had to change it back to standard, and then it just worked. I don't know why that is. But I'm gonna try something. I'll write my words and then I'll change it back. Go to custom. Go to 800 by 25 inches and click apply. And now it works. Wow. So next, what you're gonna do is once you're done with your design, click file and find download and pay attention. You want to click on either JPEG image, current slide. So once you do that, go back to the Google site tab and click change image. You have for that, you have to like put your mouse on your header and you'll find it. Click upload, and from your computer, click the file. All right, so you may notice this, that your background has become white or something happened. So to change that, you want to click on these sparkles and it'll say remove readability adjustment. You couldn't see it because of the readability. Do you see this like piece of text? That's why it was kind of weird looking. And you don't really need that text because you already have your text. So delete the piece of text on your header. That's your header. There's another option to select images that Google has, but if you want to make it your own, then do what I did. There will be a second part. Please don't blame me. Please don't blame me. Yeah, there'll be a second part this Sunday. Look out. Look out. 2 p.m. Sunday.
Can I pass?
And if you do, you get this, Senpai. My wonderful flavor of white. That's just dumb. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. This isn't even on frame. Yeah. So please look out for that. I just don't have the time to edit all of my segments, so there'll be a part 2 to this video next week. And from now on, I have an important announcement. Every Monday, I will make an extra video, just a short video, maybe like drawing or something. I really don't know, but every Monday I'll post a random video. So, toodles, thanks for watching, sub, and like, and just click on what's down there, okay? What a video, am I right? Thanks for watching.